I bet you can't watch this video without yawning. But why do we do it? It's not just because you're bored. Scientists used to think it was to get more oxygen. But the leading theory now is that yawning cools down your brain. Your brain burns a lot of energy and gets hot. A big yawn brings in cool air and increases blood flow, acting like an air conditioner for your skull. And why is it contagious? That's likely social mirroring, a primal instinct that helps groups stay alert and synchronized. So if you just yawned, don't worry, you're not rude, you're just chilling out your brain.